Welcome to our guide on maintaining your Whirlpool dishwasher pump motor. Regular maintenance not only ensures optimal performance, but also extends the lifespan of your appliance. Let's dive into the steps. First, gather your tools: a screwdriver, soft brush, vinegar solution, clean cloth, and gloves. Safety first. Make sure to disconnect the dishwasher from the power supply to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, access the pump motor. Remove the bottom rack, spray arm, and filter. This will allow you to reach the pump motor easily. Now let's clean. Use a soft brush to clear debris from the filter and pump motor. This prevents clogs and keeps your dishwasher running smoothly. Inspect the pump motor for any cracks, wear, or blockages in the impeller. To tackle grease and buildup, flush the pump area with a vinegar solution. This simple step can make a big difference. Once everything is clean and inspected, carefully reassemble all parts. Ensure everything is secured tightly before reconnecting the power. Finally, run a rinse cycle to ensure everything is functioning correctly. With these steps, you've empowered yourself to keep your dishwasher in top shape. For more tips and professional help, contact Appliance Repair Coquitlam. Keep your appliances running like new with our expert guidance.